So, what do you think of the Sean Xavier McCarthy?
I heard he's a pretty good biker. He's been compared a lot to Neil Armstrong as a biker. And he's a pretty good partier, I heard.
Yeah.
Yeah, he goes to this Andy's house. I don't
Andy?
know. Yeah.
I've heard about that.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
What about his fresh car? How do you think about that?
What a man drive through.
Alright. Velocity equals wavelength over period.
Velocity equals frequency times wavelength. The period is the time it takes for a full cycle.
Frequency is the number of cycles per second.
The wavelength is the length of one full cycle.
Mass and drop height do not affect a period, but string length does. As Drew dips up, a crest is formed, and as he dips down, a trough is formed.
Natural frequency is the vibration rate of an object.
The wind matched the natural frequency of the bridge, causing it to shake. This is known as resonance. The Doppler effect is the apparent change in frequency of a wave due to the motion of the source.
As the car approaches the observer, the waves compress, and as it recedes, the waves stretch. Angle of incidence equals angle of reflection. Due to the law of reflection, the ball bounces up at the same angle it was dropped at.
As the pencil is dropped in the water, it appears to be bent.
This is a convex mirror that gives a more panoramic view of the image.
This telescope uses a converging lens.
The image is inverted because it is behind the focal point.
Sean is using conduction when he touches the sphere to negatively charge himself. The reason he is shocked is because electrons leave his body and jump to the metal conductor.
These two positive poles repel each other.
Both negative and positive poles attract each other.